You know, my marriage to Robert was the sweetest time of my life.
Do you know what I remember the most about that time?
What?
I was just how at peace and content Robert was with you.
As was I.
If I was a bird, I'd fly to you. Take you anywhere you want me to.
You're amazing.
Without you, I can't live. I hope you can forgive this state of mind. If I was a bird, I'd fly to you. 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 If I was a bird, I'd fly to you. I don't have the wings you want me to. Without you, I'm a scared stars removed. Lost without a roof. Staring at the dark side of the moon. If I had the wings, I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you.
Thanks for delicious homecoming.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Hello, Robert.
About time you showed up.
You've been waiting for me?
All my life.
I'd fly to you.
I love you, baby.
I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you.
What is it, babe? Come on, speak out.
If I had the words, I would write 'em down. Send 'em through the sky, but I'm stuck here on the ground. If I had the wings, you know I would. Oh, if you only knew just how much it hurts that I can't be next to you. If I had the wings, you know I would. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you. I'd fly to you.
No more. We're not missing on any more time.